DJI Mavic 3 Classic, a name that resonates with both innovation and tradition. This drone is not just another addition to the DJI lineup, it's a testament to how far drone technology has come and where it's headed. A new classic is born. The Mavic 3 Classic is designed to capture the imagination of drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a standout in the crowded drone market. The drone world is constantly evolving. With each new model, we see leaps in technology that push the boundaries of what's possible. From improved flight stability to enhanced camera capabilities, the evolution is relentless. New models come out all the time, each promising to be better than the last, but how many truly deliver on that promise? The Mavic 3 Classic aims to set a new standard, combining the best of its predecessors with cutting-edge innovations. So when DJI announced the Mavic 3 Classic, I was curious. Could this be the drone that finally bridges the gap between professional-grade performance and user-friendly design? The anticipation was palpable. Could it live up to the hype? The only way to find out was to put it to the test. From unboxing to the first flight, every moment was filled with excitement and a bit of skepticism. After putting it through its paces, I can confidently say, this drone is something special. It exceeded my expectations in almost every way, from its intuitive controls to its stunning aerial footage. The Mavic 3 Classic takes the best of what made the Mavic series great and refines it. It's not just an upgrade, it's a reimagining of what a drone can be. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of its design. It's a drone that's both powerful and easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. The learning curve is minimal, yet the potential for creativity is limitless. Whether you're a professional photographer, a casual content creator, or just someone who loves to capture stunning aerial footage, the Mavic 3 Classic has something to offer. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. The Mavic 3 Classic is a drone that deserves your attention. It's not just a tool, it's an inspiration. With its blend of power, ease of use, and advanced features, it sets a new benchmark in the world of drones. If you're looking for a drone that can do it all, look no further. Built for adventure, design and durability. The first thing you'll notice about the Mavic 3 Classic is its design. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and practicality. It's sleek, compact, and incredibly portable. This drone is designed to be your perfect travel companion, fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle. DJI has clearly put a lot of thought into making this drone as travel-friendly as possible. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or exploring a new city, the Mavic 3 Classic is easy to carry. It folds down to a surprisingly small size, making it easy to throw in your backpack and take with you on any adventure. Its compact form doesn't compromise on performance, but don't let its small size fool you. This drone is built to last. The materials used in its construction are top-notch, ensuring durability and longevity. The construction feels solid and durable, capable of withstanding the bumps and scrapes that come with everyday use. It's designed to handle rough conditions, so you don't have to worry about minor impacts. The Mavic 3 Classic is built for adventure, plain and simple. Whether you're flying in the mountains, over the ocean, or through a dense forest, this drone can handle it all. It's a drone you can trust to perform, no matter where your creativity takes you. With its reliable performance and robust design, the Mavic 3 Classic is ready to capture your most daring adventures. Hasselblad in the sky, a photographic powerhouse. Let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. The Mavic 3 Classic boasts a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor. This is the same sensor found in the more expensive Mavic 3, and it's a game changer for drone photography. The image quality is simply stunning, with incredible detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. Whether you're shooting photos or videos, the Mavic 3 Classic delivers. You can capture breathtaking landscapes in all their glory, thanks to the large sensor and Hasselblad's color science. The footage is sharp, vibrant, and full of life. This is professional-level image quality, available in a drone that's accessible to everyone. Effortless flight handling and control. Flying the Mavic 3 Classic is a joy. It's incredibly responsive and stable in the air, even in windy conditions. DJI's advanced flight control system does an excellent job of keeping the drone steady, allowing you to focus on getting the perfect shot. The omnidirectional obstacle sensors are another great feature. They provide an extra layer of safety, helping you avoid collisions with obstacles in all directions. This is especially useful for beginners who are still getting used to flying a drone. With the Mavic 3 Classic, you can fly with confidence, knowing that you have a sophisticated system looking out for you. Pushing the limits battery and range. Battery life is always a concern with drones, but the Mavic 3 Classic doesn't disappoint. You can expect up to 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is more than enough for most shooting scenarios. The transmission range is also impressive, with a maximum distance of 15 kilometers. This gives you the freedom to explore and capture footage from further away than ever before. Whether you're flying in wide open spaces or navigating through complex environments, the Mavic 3 Classic has the power and range to keep up with your creative vision. Safety-first intelligent flight features. DJI has always been at the forefront of drone safety, and the Mavic 3 Classic is no exception. This drone is packed with advanced safety features that make flying not only easier but also much safer. Whether you're a professional drone pilot or a hobbyist, the Mavic 3 Classic ensures that you can focus on capturing stunning footage without worrying about potential hazards. It comes equipped with a suite of intelligent flight features designed to keep your drone safe and secure in the air. These features are seamlessly integrated into the drone system, providing real-time data and feedback to help you navigate complex environments with ease. From urban landscapes to dense forests, the Mavic 3 Classic adapts to various flying conditions, ensuring a smooth and safe flight experience. APS 5.0, DJI's latest obstacle avoidance system, is incredibly effective at detecting and avoiding obstacles in real time. This advanced system uses multiple sensors to create a 3D map of the drone's surroundings, allowing it to navigate through tight spaces and avoid potential collisions. Whether you're flying in a crowded city or a dense forest, APS 5.0 ensures that your drone remains safe and sound. This means you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone is less likely to have an accident. The intelligent flight features not only enhance safety, but also improve the overall flying experience. With features like automated flight paths and precision hovering, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot while the drone takes care of the rest. The return-to-home function is another great safety feature. This feature is particularly useful for long-distance flights or when flying in unfamiliar areas. It ensures that your drone will always find its way back to you, even if you lose sight of it. If the drone ever loses signal or runs low on battery, it will automatically return to its takeoff point, giving you peace of mind. This automatic return feature is a lifesaver, especially in emergency situations. With the Mavic 3 Classic, you can explore new heights and push the boundaries of your creativity, knowing that your drone is equipped with the best safety features available. Seamless control. The DJI Fly app experience. The DJI Fly app is the command center for the Mavic 3 Classic, and it's one of the best drone apps on the market. It's intuitive, easy to use, and packed with features. You can use the app to control all aspects of the drone's flight, including camera settings, flight modes, and safety features. The app also provides a live HD video feed from the drone's camera, so you can see exactly what the drone sees. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, you'll appreciate the DJI Fly app's user-friendly design and powerful functionality. Mavic 3 Classic versus the competition standing out from the crowd. The drone market is more competitive than ever, but the Mavic 3 Classic manages to stand out from the crowd. It offers an unbeatable combination of performance, features, and value. Compared to other drones in its class, the Mavic 3 Classic delivers superior image quality, longer flight times, and more advanced safety features. It's also incredibly easy to use, making it a great option for beginners. While other drones might offer similar features, the Mavic 3 Classic excels in its overall package. It's a well-rounded drone that's hard to beat, especially for the price. Final verdict. Is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic right for you? The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is an exceptional drone that sets a new standard for portable aerial imaging. It's a powerful tool for creators of all levels, offering professional-grade image quality, intuitive flight control, and a comprehensive suite of safety features. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or simply someone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage, the Mavic 3 Classic is a worthy investment. It's a drone that will empower you to tell your stories in new and exciting ways. So, is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic right for you? If you're serious about drone photography and videography, the answer is a resounding yes.